Okay, you guys ready? We're putting together the game we played earlier and what we just learned about how to read this table. Okay, we're going to put those two ideas together, meaning, can you guys actually answer this question? What do you need to know again? Remember I started this discussion by saying this thing called the key, where this was the key to every problem. Knowing this percent was the key to each one of these problems. Didn't we say that? If you know how to determine the key, then you can determine all the answers. Right? Didn't we say this? Okay. Who can tell me what percent of the bell is shaded on the left here? Good. That's 50. Is that right? What percent of the bell is shaded on the right here? What is it? How do you know that? We did it already. That was the key. 49.18%. Isn't this the key? And that's 49.18%. So, what did we say this morning? How much is in your left pocket? How much is in the left pocket? 50 bucks. How much is in the right pocket? $49.18. How much do you have? $99 and what? 18%. You guys okay with that? $99.18%. Question. Okay. Isn't this interesting? Remember I said earlier, I said, you guys can do all these problems. You go, oh, that's easy, it's easy, it's easy. But then all of a sudden, you start to even question yourself. The key is to know what percent of the bell is shaded from 0 to some positive z value here. Is that true? Now, why is that the key here? Because the left is 50. You already know that. You don't have to use a table for that. Isn't from 0 to some value, isn't that 50% of the bell shaded? Half of this thing is shaded. That's why it's 50. All you need to know is what percent of the bell is shaded from 0 to 2.4. From 0 to 2.4. That's all you need to know. You know it's 49.18% because we already what? We did that right here. We did it. $50 is in your left pocket. $49.18 is in the right pocket. What's 50 plus 49.18? 99.18. Isn't that right? Yosdi? Isn't that right? Yosdi. Oh, I keep Yosdi. Yosdi. Darn it. I got to remember like yo. Like, right? Yo. Isn't that right? 50 plus 49.18? Now go to the next one. Huh. What percent of the bell shaded here? Let's see. Oh, how much is in your right pocket? The 50%? How much is in the left pocket? Oh my gosh. That's a negative 2.4. Huh. No, because of what? Symmetry. This is also what? 49.18%. So here's the idea. If in your left pocket you have $49.18, in the right pocket is 50, how much money do you have together? 90. How did you find that value? You added them. That's no different than what we talked about earlier. Go home, rewind the tape, and look at it. $99.18. What about the next one? What are you guys going to say here? Can you tell me how much was in your right pocket? How much is in the right pocket? From 0 to 1.68? Did you guys notice? Did we do that? Isn't that the key again? The key? Ah, how much is in the right? $45.35. Now, what about the left? From 0 to a negative 0.12. Well, because of symmetry, we look at 0 to a positive 0.12. Didn't we do that one already too? How much is there? $4.78. So this is $4.78. How in the world do I deduce the final answer? What percent of the ballot is shaded? You add them. $4.78 is in my left pocket. $45.35 is in the right pocket. How much? What percent of the ballot is shaded? 50.13%. 50.13% of the ballot is shaded. How much is on the left plus how much is on the right? This is what you found before. Just because they're decimal values, don't let it throw you. Don't let it throw you because they have decimal values. It's okay. Add how much is on the left plus how much is on the right. It's 50.13. You'll say, I thought it can't be more than 50. Well, of course it could. You got some on the left, some on the right. Okay. Oh, this is the hard one, remember? Oh, this is the hard one. It's not that bad. Why is it not that bad? Do you remember the format we did earlier? Did you guys take your notes? What was the key? If you knew how much is not shaded, how much is not shaded there? How much is not shaded? 0.12. How much is not shaded here? Isn't that what? 4.78%? Right? 0.12? 0.12? Isn't that not shaded? Now, how much would be shaded if we went from here to where? To over here. How much is from 0 to 1.68? How much would be there from 0 to 1.68? Didn't we do that here? Yeah, it's what? 45.35. That's 45.35. Okay? So the only thing that you guys had new to this process was you are now determining this value and this value based on the z values here, based on these two values. How do you determine that? You use your z table. So how did we deduce the answer earlier? 45.35 minus 4.78. What did that give you? What is that? Is that 39? No, that's what? 41? 40? 40.57% of the ballot is shaded.